Hey guys, it's Chris here, and in this video we're going to be looking at the ErGear single monitor arm for 15 to 32 inches of monitor space. This is a quick unboxing and look at how to install, along with a short review on why I think this is a pretty good product. Spoiler alert, the price to value ratio is 9 out of 10. So I actually bought two of them, and I plan on using two monitors and replacing the current one here. To install the mount, you take this column piece, slide it onto your table, and at the bottom you can screw on the mount so that it clamps securely. So you can see here I jiggled it and it moved the whole table. Once the mount column is secure, put the arm on with the monitor. It comes in two pieces and it swivels left and right, and it's just a really good arm. This is what the setup looks like with just one arm, and I have a vertical monitor on the right side. Like I mentioned, I'm installing two of them, and so I'm going to be putting two 27-inch monitors. I'll leave a link to the product, and the price I paid for was, after tax and everything, $32.99. If you have two monitors, I think the best option is to go with two single monitor arms because you're controlling each of them independently. The final setup makes the whole look very versatile. I can have two horizontal or one horizontal and one vertical monitor. And it turns all angles 360 degrees. So it's really convenient, especially when you're sitting on your bed or your couch and you want to pull the monitor closer to your face, as well as at the certain eye level that you prefer. I've been using these two arms for almost a year, and I would give it a 10 out of 10 honestly, but you just gotta find it for the right price. So I took 1 point off just because they're always changing the price on Amazon. So $35 each arm, which is really not a bad price. The arm itself also has some cable management routing for the monitor cable as well as the monitor power cable. Setup was very easy, took me less than an hour for both monitors. And so overall, I give this monitor arm from ErGear a price to value ratio of 9 to 10 out of 10. It falls somewhere in that gray area if you can get it for the right price. If you have any questions or concerns about this monitor arm or any other questions on monitor arms, let me know in the comments below and I'll be sure to get to them as soon as possible. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Please subscribe for future content. Bye guys.